What if we did a whole day of Kids Can't Say No?
I love this. I'm gonna do this every day.
Mary Poppins came on at just the right moment.
Woo!
All right, good morning guys. Hey kids, come here, listen. So, I'm going to the temple today and I'm gonna be gone all day. And you remember when you guys did Mom Can't Say No? And how much fun that was?
Let me guess, Kids Can't Say No.
Yeah, that's exactly what I was thinking. What if we did a whole day of Kids Can't Say No, and it's basically you guys taking care of Mom, anything she asks, like surprise her, we could do dishes. What do you guys think? Think that'd be a good payback for Mom? Daisy, what do you think? Can you guys help me out with that while I'm gone? You in?
Yes. Yes.
You in? Ender, you in?
Yes.
Okay, I'll be back at the end of the day and you guys have fun, take care of your mom today, okay?
Okay.
Even if she doesn't even ask you, do something awesome for her.
I like this idea, Davey. Hey kids, will you gobble up your food as fast as you can and get dressed and then get in the car?
Yes.
Okay. All right, let's see if they did it. All right, who ate breakfast?
Me.
What?
Yes.
You had breakfast? Okay.
Brown Mom.
Thank you. Here, put your seatbelts on. Ender, seatbelts on. Good job, you guys. Hey, will you guys be nice to each other all day long?
Yes.
Yay, I'm so happy.
Yeah.
Will you guys come in and jump with me?
Yes.
I decided to take the kids to Airborne because they can't say no to me today, so I get to pick what we do. This is awesome. Unbuckle Evie. Will you unbuckle Evie?
Evie, come on.
Of course she will. I love this. I'm gonna do this every day. All right, let's go jump. Zade ended up going to his cousin's house because it was a birthday, so I dropped him off. But we have these other 4 kids. Will you play with Evie?
Yes.
So I can sit down for a minute? I'll jump for 1 second. But I actually want them to lose all their energy, not me. Oh! Oh, this actually hurts my head. Okay, will you just watch Evie and play with her while I sit then? Jumping's not that fun for moms. But I'm gonna relax on the couch. This is a dream come true. All right, Ender, let's see what you got. So Ambree wants to show me one more cool place. Oh wow, this is huge. It's all under construction right now, so it's gonna be a lot better. Done. Obstacle course. Ambree. Oh, you're not tall enough. Bummer, I'm sorry. Now we're going into the unknown. It's a birthday party room. Oh, you can see what they're doing. So those must be the trampoline frames.
I see one.
Cool. That's where we were. That's where we were before. So next to it is more trampolines. And I think I'm just gonna take a nap right here. This is a comfy couch. So good night, you guys. Oh my gosh, that was so much fun. I gotta go pick up Zade. If only I could find the kids to tell them to get in the car. They wouldn't be able to say no, but I can't find them anywhere. Okay, I found Evie and Ender, and I told the other kids to come out here, and they better because they can't say no. So I'm just having a lot of faith that they're really gonna listen because they know the rules today. Can't say no to Mom. What? You can have some. Here, the leftovers of the Dr. Pepper Jordan and I shared. I don't know if I even showed you guys Jordan. She's my friend from Fun Cheaper Free. She has a cool YouTube channel, you should check it out. And she has an awesome blog, and she's super funny on Instagram, so shout out to my girl Jordan. We just let the kids run around and play while we chatted for a few minutes, and Dr. Pepper woke me up. Do you guys want to go home and clean the whole house and then have a swim party?
Yeah! We have to say yes, so yes!
Let's do it! Zade, when we get home, will you empty the dishwasher?
Yes!
Daisy, when we get home, will you clean off the counter?
Yes.
Ambree, when we get home, will you wash off the table? Ender, when we get home, will you pick up the toys? Evie, when we get home, will you be a stinker?
Yes.
Good job, Zade.
Mom, we don't need this card.
Oh yeah, you keep it in there just for a cover card. Good job, Ambree. Ella, what are you chewing on? I don't think Evie's listening though. Evie, you gotta pick up the shoes. You can't say no to mommy today.
Can't believe.
Pick up this shoe right here. Pick it up. Go put it in Ender's room. Good job, Evie. I'm so proud of you. Oh, Zay just broke a glass. Okay, clean it up.
The cover and it fell out. I did.
You still broke it. Just because you didn't throw it on the ground on purpose doesn't mean that you didn't break it. So listen, nobody walks in here unless they have shoes on until he cleans it up. Ah. Mary Poppins came on at just the right moment. The house is looking much better. I think it's almost time. The kids even cleaned up the toy room. Pretty good. Bedrooms are looking better. What's going on? Oh, you girls are cleaning up. Look how much was on the ground. My goodness. It looks so good in here. Nice work.
Really fun.
Good.
It's fun when I'm cleaning with Millie.
We just needed cousins over here.
Yeah.
Perfect. We even got Ender to clean his room. This is the best day ever. Ambree might have a mess to clean up after though. She cleaned out her rabbit's cage and I think she just lost Sammy. I told her to put him in a cage out there and she didn't listen, so if I was a rabbit I would hide in here. Kids, listen to your mamas. Your mama says do something, you better listen. She's not doing so great on the can't say no challenge. Did you look through all this? Wait, I found him.
Sammy.
You might jump into the thorns. Sammy goes. Where did he go? There he goes. He's out. Pick him up. There we go. Good job. We got you, Sammy. Okay. We are going on like 2 hours of cleaning. I feel bad, but they're also still having fun, so I don't feel bad. But we should have fun soon. You guys still having fun?
Yeah.
It's looking great in here. Look, we even mopped the floor. So proud of you guys. Girls. Ooh, and the garbage got empty too. Hallelujah.
Swept around.
All right, the house is still not perfect, but it's really good. So, I'm gonna show you guys what these guys are doing. Thank you for helping me clean, guys.
Yeah. Mama, make it, yeah.
And thank you for taking a nap. All right, what are you guys doing?
We're making a pirate ship because we were playing a pirate game.
I'm gonna ask you guys if you can keep building this and vlog it.
Yeah.
So I can go upstairs and finish cleaning. And when you're done, I want you to take down the blanket for it.
Okay. Yes.
Okay.
We need a wheel. Oh yeah, we need a wheel. We need a wheel.
Hey, Ender, will you help me make dinner?
Yes.
Awesome.
All right, guys, I am home. April, what did I miss? You guys,
The kids were little angels today and didn't say no to me, and it was the best day of my
How
life.
about that? See, payback. That's payback for all the yeses you gave. Now you got yeses from the kids.
I loved it. It's so
That's
fun.
Awesome. I had a great day at the temple.
Look how clean the house is, honey.
Yes, let's just take a minute and take a, uh-oh.
Oh no.
What are you gonna do about that?
Those kids.
Hey, why don't you eat crackers on the table in the kitchen, huh?
We are making a lot of progress on our pirate ship. I'm gonna let you see it. We're doing that. There's the pirate wheel. You can actually turn it. This is kind of a lot of tape, Daisy. We got a blanket. Now we're gonna put it right there. Over here, I am making a skull. It's a girl because only girls are allowed in it, except for Dad. So I'm gonna cut it out with the scissors, and then we're gonna tape it onto the flag over there.
All right, guys, that is the end of a great day. House is looking good. Nice work today, April.
I like I tricked the kids into being more excited about chores today because we were playing games. So Go ahead and give it a try, guys. You probably have to do the mom can't say no first, and then the next day, kids can't say no.
You gotta take one for the
Works pretty
team.
great for me.
Takes a little bit, not saying no, but then you get the payback from the kids, so.
And mop the floor is a treat.
There you have it.
You don't get to mop the floor very often when you're a mom of 5 kids.
That's right. All right, guys, thanks for watching.
But you don't get to.
Let us know any tricks you guys have for getting your kids to do chores. Comment below. We want to hear from you. Okay, see you tomorrow.